Are you looking to search Twitter by date? Not many social networks features this facility, but you can do so in Twitter. If you're searching for any keywords or search term, you can also specify the time frame that you want to get the results of. Let me show you by demonstration. Open a Twitter in browser. Currently, Twitter search by date is not available in Android. So, iPhone users, you can go ahead and do it. And web, it's available in Web too. I'm using web for now. Now at the top, once you're signed in, go to search right here at the top right corner. Click on it. Now start typing your search keyword. Let's say I want to search for tennis. Click on it. Now the mid section has the default search filters. Latest, people, media, lists, you know it. So where can we find the search by date? It's not that far. Just click on this advanced search right here. Click on it. Now if you scroll all the way to the very bottom, you can see dates. So from, specify the month, date and year, let's say 2020 to date and 23. Alright, and search. Currently, Twitter is facing hiccup in this feature. Maybe when you try, you can get the results of that time frame. Now we know how to do search by date in Twitter. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. And for future video updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. Until next time, bye-bye.